Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix face scan upload stuck on 50% in your NBA 2K24. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So what I am going to teach you how to fix scan upload error at 50% or the head builder stuck at 50%. So if you encounter the head builder getting stuck at 50%, what you can do is you can try restarting the entire head builder process, because sometimes this simple action can resolve the issue. And then next, what you can do is you can keep an eye out for updates. So look for patches or hot fixes, as they may contain fixes for the head builder bug you are facing. So these small fixes and patches more often than not significantly improve the gaming experience. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.